You may have found this video because you have a RAV4 that makes a growling or kind of grinding sound. Some people say it sounds like your tires are running over those grooves in the pavement on a highway, but it's a kind of a growling sound or a brrrr sound. Well, it turns out it's a problem with it's a sound coming from the bearing in the rear differential, or what I think they call the transfer case. And what's interesting is it sounds like something is wrong. It sounds like gears are grinding or something's wrong. It turns out there's nothing really wrong. It's not a safety problem. It's not a maintenance problem. It's not a mechanical problem. There it is. So here's what you do. Shift from drive over to 3. When you hear the growling, shift from drive over to 3, and the growling will stop. And then once your speed is up to about 50, go back to D, and you won't get the growling. Now, this does not correct the problem permanently, but if you're like me, you paid good money for the car, and you can't believe there's a problem, a noise with it that's irritating. And so this is the solution. It sounds silly, but it's a lot better than just feeling frustrated and gnashing your teeth because there's nothing you can do about it. Even the videos that tell you the way to correct it will not tell you that replacing such and such a part will actually correct the problem. It's evidently a design flaw, and Toyota won't recall because it's not a safety problem. It's not a mechanical problem. It doesn't hurt the performance of the vehicle. It's just when you take someone in your RAV4 for the first time, you get up to about 45 miles an hour, they'll say, "Oh, do you hear that sound? There's something wrong with your car." It's doing it again. So the solution, as I said, if you hear that noise and you wish to make it stop, you can shift the gear shifter. It won't hurt anything. Don't push up and don't push back. Just push it to the side from D over to 3, and you'll find the noise goes away.